Facebook that too.
Man, look at this.
Gordon was a freaking idiot and very into it.
How you feel? How you feel, Rachel?
Who would do that? You're so drunk. That's the only way to go on. Oh my gosh. Someone take it.
Yeah, someone's just gonna grab that with their bare hands.
You have fucking like feathers on your foot.
Cemetery.
Dude.
Dude.
No, I got it. Oh my god.
It's stuck.
Oh my god. Wait. Dude. Oh my god.
Come on, dude. Take a picture of that, man. I did take a picture of that.
Take it. You guys take it and jab it from that side.
It's big. It's stuck.
Oh, it's stuck inside the
Somebody's thinking like.
Hey, open your hood. Open your hood so you can push it out that way.
Take this.
That's not a part of its hood.
Ah!
No, you can go from the inside.
Oh, its head is like.
It's stuck. It's stuck.
Oh, that's
It
sad.
looks like it's been there for a while.
It's toasted.
That's so sad.
I don't want it.
Doesn't it though?
Dude, how did
There's no blood.
You would try and turn it over.
It's been there for a couple days.
Yeah.
So we have to bury it.
How we would have known.
There's no
Yeah,
blood.
we're in a burial ground. We might as well bury it.
So who's gonna touch it?
Okay.
Make a grave. Make a grave.
No, don't touch
I'm
it.
kidding.
No.
Great life all over me. Leave it there.
We gotta bury it. We gotta bury it. Someone get a shovel.
Right there.
I know someone has a shovel in their car.
Let's use this cup.
Bury that one.
Dude, this is gonna be on YouTube.
Still at the cemetery place. One of the girls ran into a bird
Okay.
and stuck in her grill. A girl like
Oh my god.
Oh, look at all the birds. They're pissed off.
right here and it got stuck in her grill.
Dude, the birds are mad.
Oh shit, that's really happening. Dude, look, the birds are mad.
Hey, watch out.
Oh, you can see through his neck.
Oh, so cute.
Esther has a video. Here.
I'm just kidding.
Good job.
Good job, you guys. Good job. Good job. Good work. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Good job, best.
The jeans pinch your soul.
Dude, we're gonna ride in the car too. Bless me.
Drive safe. Drive safe. Drive safe.
The funniest thing would have been if you turn on your air conditioning and then it just like descent.
Oh my god.
No, like the feathers go. Alright. Bye, guys.
Thank you for trying to get it
Bye,
off.
again.
Wait, did you get it?
Bye.
Yeah.
Good job.
That's over.
That's it.